Today, we are going to jump straight that everyone cares about the most. How to use your local artificial intelligence directly on your phone. Yes, your phone. I want you to be able to walk around your house and still talk to the powerful AI that is running inside your own computer. Your phone becomes the controller, and your computer becomes the engine. And in order for you to do that, I need to teach you something essential first. How to set up Ollama. Ollama is the foundation. If you want your phone to connect smoothly, if you want fast responses, if you want full privacy and full control, you must understand how to deploy AI locally. So before we talk about apps or Wi-Fi setup, I will guide you through mastering Ollama step by step. Do not worry, this is faster and easier than you expect. Then, once you know how to install it, I will teach you something even more important: how to choose the correct model based on the hardware you already have. Installing Ollama is extremely simple. On Windows, you download a single installer from the official website. You double-click it. You follow the basic instructions. That is all. When you open your terminal afterward, everything is ready, and here is the moment that surprises most people. Your first model can be run with the choice when you press Enter. Ollama begins downloading the model automatically. It prepares everything by itself. You do not need to configure anything manually. You do not need to edit files. You do not need to install drivers. You simply wait, watch the progress, and then start typing. The first response from your local model feels almost magical. It arrives instantly, directly inside your terminal window, with no cloud connection involved. You are watching your computer thinking real time. You can also choose the model location easily with storage handled. After that, it is time to choose your model, and this is where many beginners feel overwhelmed. But let me guide you gently through this. Every model name has three parts: the model family, the parameter size in billions, and the quantization level. You do not need to understand the mathematics behind these words. You only need to know that a higher parameter size usually means a smarter model, and a higher quantization level means better accuracy, but heavier memory usage. If your graphics card has 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, you can run most 7 billion or 8 billion parameter models comfortably. If you have a strong graphics card with 12 GB or more, you can try 14 billion or 32 billion models. And if you do not have a dedicated graphics card at all, do not worry. Ollama can run models on your CPU. They will be slower, but they will run. This is why I often recommend starting with QW37B, QW2.57B, or Gemma for Vision. Gemma is especially fun. If you drag an image into your terminal, the model can describe it. It can read text inside the image. It can identify objects and even guess emotions based on facial expressions. When you witness this with your own eyes, the idea of local AI becomes real. Let me teach you a few essential commands that will make your experience smoother. Ollama list shows all models you have downloaded. Ollama RM model name removes a model to free storage space. Clean clears the current conversation history. These commands are small, but they make you feel more confident and in control. Now I want to spend more time on something important and exciting. If you want to use your local AI on your phone, you can install an app such as Enchanted or simply use your phone browser. As long as your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network, your phone can connect to your local Ollama server. Your phone becomes a window into your powerful home AI machine. I am going to explain this in detail, step by step, and I will show you exactly what to do on Windows and what to do on macOS. Step 1 is to start the Ollama server so other devices can see it. Step 2 is to find your computer IP address on the local network. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. Look for the IPv4 address under your active network adapter. It will look something like 192.168.1.100 or 10.0.5. On macOS, open System Preferences, go to Network, and find the IP displayed for the active Wi-Fi connection. Keep that IP address in mind. Step 3 is the phone side. If you are using the Enchanted app, download it from your App Store and open it. There will be a field to enter a server address. Type the address in this form: http computer IP 11,434. Then press connect. The app will ask for any necessary keys. if you configured authentication. If you did not set up any authentication, it will connect directly and show the model list. Tap the model you want and start chatting. If you prefer to use a browser on your phone, simply open the browser and type the same address. Some people like the app for its clean interface, and some prefer the browser for quick access. Step 4 is testing and troubleshooting. If your phone fails to connect, check the following quickly. Are phone and computer on the same Wi-Fi network? Did you type the IP correctly? Is the Ollama server running and showing the listening address in the terminal? Is your firewall rule active? Once these are correct, most connections succeed on the first try. When your phone connects successfully, the experience feels delightful. You can use your phone to send images to vision models. Your computer becomes the engine, and your phone becomes a lightweight controller. That is the simple power of a home AI server. Your computer is far more capable than you think. With one small tool and a few clear instructions, you can turn it into a private assistant, a powerful research tool, or even a personal creative partner. If you enjoyed this lesson, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to learn local AI but does not know where to start. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.